A wise man once said that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Online following, online community and engagements, live streaming, online cross-branding, social media monetization. Comment down below if you have been using any of these for your business in the online space. Businesses are only starting to realize how ill-equipped they are in the online space, whereas the online space is already dominated by players early to the game. The gap grows further with every minute. But one thing I believe of human beings is that we are very adaptable and can be fast adopters of change. Only if we give up the right to being right. Retail has moved entire businesses online into the e-commerce space, leveraging on platforms like Lazada and its technologies. F&B have ramped up their usage of online channels like RedMart, Shopee, and for cooked food, GrabFood, Foodpanda. Fusion has moved fully online with powerful platforms like ClassDo. Events, seminars, and workshops have gone and leveraged on technologies like live streaming, web conferencing with live audience engagement. Consumer behavior has evolved even before the coronavirus. And what the virus has done is to make it plain, clear, and simple for the world to see that indeed times have changed. The key is to leverage on platforms, on technologies, on the trend of increased online content consumption. The question is, do you plan to be bold, try new ways to engage the modernized consumer and thrive, or struggle to survive, cling on to old habits, fiddle with them, and ultimately die? The choice is yours. See you next week.